Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So we have the formula in here. Cosine 2x, that is about 1 minus 2 sine x squared. But this one, that is about x. So we can put number 2 multiplied by x over number 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative and negative, we have positive. About this one, we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform sine of s into number 2 of s over number 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we need to simplify number 2 sine of s over number 2. And we have like this. Now we can put number 0 going here and here. And this one, that is about number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.